Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and missing your schools too. We already started a new lesson from class 5 and that is fractions. You learned about the types of fractions, equivalent fractions. Okay, in today's class you are going to learn addition. From that you are going to learn here like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, already you know about like fractions. Like fraction means a fraction having same denominator are called like fractions. In today's class you are going to learn how to add the like fractions and how to add the unlike fractions. So let us start with like fractions. Okay, here 5/12 plus 5/12. Already you know about like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fraction means a fraction having same denominator are called like fractions. In this case what you are going to do means here you have to add only numerator. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10 and you 12 write as it is. Don't write here 10/24. Okay, if you wrote like this means your answer is wrong. What you are going to do here you have to just add the numerator. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 12 denominator as it is 12 you have to keep. Okay, take one more problem here. 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 4/5. Okay, see here 3/5 and 4/5 is there. Here you have to add only numerator. 3 plus 4 is how much here? 7 and 5 as it is you have to keep. Okay, I hope you are understanding my points. When you are adding like fractions you add only numerator. Here there is no need to add the denominator. Most of the students are adding their denominator also, but you don't do that mistake. Okay, then take one more example here. 5/7 plus 1/7. Add here. 5 plus 1 is 6 and here 7. Okay, don't add denominator. So this is addition of like fractions. In previous video you learned how to compare the fractions. Okay, then this is about like fractions. Try to solve your practice time. Okay, then addition of unlike fraction. I will take here one example. 2/9 plus 1/10. Okay, see here addition of like fraction is very easy. You added just a numerator and you kept denominator as it is. Okay, but here see already you know about unlike fraction. A fraction having different denominators are called unlike fraction. Okay, then what to do here? Here you have to take the LCM of the denominator. See here I will repeat once again. Here to convert this unlike fraction to like fraction, here you have to take the LCM of denominator. Already you know how to remove the LCM. You use any method, but we need here LCM of 9 and 10. When you are removing LCM, don't take numerator. You have to take the denominator. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Then see here 9 and 10 is there. 9 and 10 are there in same table? No. Then you have to take directly 9 ones are 9, 10 as it is, 10 ones are and 1 as it is you have to keep. And the LCM of 9 and 10 is how much? 9 into 10. Okay, 9 tens are 90. The LCM of 9 and 10 is 90. Then what next step here you have to take? You have to make the denominator same. What you did in previous video means how to compare the fractions you learned. No, here also you have to follow the same step. Okay, then take here 2/9. Okay, next here 1/10. You have to take these numbers. 2/9 I wrote here and 1/10 here. Next into here equal and into here equal, and here you have to write 90. Why we have to make here denominator 90? Because our LCM is 90. Okay, then take here I have to make this denominator 90 means you have to think here 9 is there. No, by which number I am going to multiply here? 9 how much are 90? 9 tens are 90. Okay, 9 tens are 90. And when you are multiplying, multiply the numerator and denominator with same number. Okay, 9 tens are 90, 2 tens are 20. I hope you are getting my point. Why I took here 90 as a denominator? Because my LCM is 90. When you get an unlike fraction, no, you convert that fractions to like fraction, then you are going to add the fraction. Okay, here see 10 is there and here 90 is there. 10 how much are 90? 10 nines are 90. And when you are multiplying, don't multiply with only denominator, you multiply with numerator also. 10 nines are 90, 1 nines are 9. I hope you are getting my point. And just observe here, my denominator is same now. Here also 90 and here also 90. Okay, then next step, here you take 20 by 90 plus 9 by 90. Okay, 20 plus 9 is 29, and don't write here 90 plus 90 180. It's wrong. Already I told, when you are adding like fractions, you add only numerator and keep denominator as it is. Then 90 denominator is 90. I hope you are getting my point. I will repeat once again. First you have to take the LCM. First you have to take the example. Next you have to remove the LCM of 9 and 10. Okay, 9 ones are 9 and 9 tens are 90. 10 1 as it is and 10 ones are 9, 10 ones are 10, and the LCM of 9 and 10 is 90. 9 tens are 90. Afterwards I wrote here the same numbers here, 2 by 9 and 1 by 10 into I took here 10 because 9 tens are 90. I took here 9 because 10 nines are 90. You have to make the denominator 90. Then here you have to write 20 by 90 plus 9 by 90. 20 plus 9 is 29, and you have to do this, do like this. Okay, so the answer is 29 by 90. Okay, I will take here one more example. Next I will take here one more example, and that is 1 by 7 plus 5 by 24. Okay, what here first step, you have to take the LCM of denominator. Just observe here, denominators are 7 and 24. 7 and 24. Okay, then see here 7 and 24 are there in same table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So both are not there in same table. So directly you take here 7 ones are and 24 as it is, 24 1 as it is, 24 ones are 24. Then multiply here 7 into 24. So what is the answer? 24 sevens are 7 fours are 28, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. Okay, so the LCM is 168. Okay, then write here the numbers as it is, 1 by 7 and 5 by 24 into, here also into, equal, what I have to write here? I have to write here the denominator 168, because our LCM is 168. Here you write 168. Okay, 7 how much are 168? 7 24s are, already you know here 7 24s are 168 is there, means here 7 24s are 168 and 24 7s are 168. So you must and should learn the tables. Okay, if you know the tables, you can solve the examples very easily. Therefore in mathematics the 4 operations are very important: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, then multiply. 7 24s are 168, 24 7s are 168, 1 24s are 24 and 5 7s are 35. I hope you are getting my points. There is no need to worry. First you have to remove the LCM, then you make the LCM as means you have to write here LCM 168 and 168. Convert this unlike fraction to like fraction. Now I converted. Okay, here you have to write 24 by 168 plus 35 by 168. Then see here 24 plus 35 how much? 24 plus 35. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is 59 by 168. I hope you are getting my points. Here there is no need to worry. First step you have to take the LCM and convert them as a like fraction, add and write the answer. Let us take one more example. See here 7 by 9 and 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6. Okay, first step you have to take the LCM 9 and 6. Tell me 9 and 6 are there in which table? They both are there in 3 ones are table. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 and 2 are not there in same table. You take first 2 here, 3 as it is, 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 1 as it is. Multiply this all the numbers. 3 into 2 into 3. Then what is the LCM here? 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Okay, so the LCM is 18. The LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. Okay, I will repeat once again. See here, the first you have to take the denominator 9 and 6. Okay, the both are there in same table. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, next which one is small here? 2. Then 3 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3 and you keep 1 as it is and take these numbers 3 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So the LCM is 18. Then what is the next step here? Here you have to take the terms. I am solving here third example 7 by 9. Next 5 by 6. Okay, into equal and equal. What I have to write here? I have to write here 18. Okay, why? Because our LCM is 18. Then think 9 how much is 18? You have to make the denominator same. I want here answer 18 means which number I have to take here? I have to take here 2. Why? Because 9 2s are 18. So when you are multiplying, multiply the numerator and denominator with same number. Here you took 2. Don't take here 3. Here 4. It's wrong. If which number you are taking here? No, the same number you have to take as a numerator. Next 9 2s are 18, 7 2s are 14. Understood? 9 2s are 18, 7 2s are 14. Okay, this step over. Next here, see here in denominator 6 is there and I want as a answer means denominator 18. Then which number I have to take here? For that you have to know the 6 on the table. 6 how much is 18? 6 on the 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So 3 by 3. Okay, which number you are taking here? The same number you have to take as a numerator. 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15. I hope you are understanding my points. Okay, now what happened here? Here unlike term is there, no, add term to like fraction, unlike fraction. Okay, then take here, what is the result here? 14 by 18 plus 15 by 18. Okay, then 14 plus 15, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 29 by 18. I hope you are getting my point. I will solve here one more example. See here, next fourth example. Fourth example, whatever the now here solving the examples now from your practice time, try to solve the examples. Okay. 5 by 8 plus 1 by 4. 5 by 8 plus 1 by 4. Yes, the fourth question is 5 by 8 plus 1 by 4. Then what here? First step, here you have to take the LCM of 8 and 4. Then write here in one side 8 and 4. Then tell me next step, both are there in same table? Yes, both are there in same table. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are and 1 as it is, 4 into 2. So whatever the last terms are there, no, that you have to take. 4 2s are 8. So the LCM is here 8. Okay. Then what is here next step? You write the numbers. 5 by 8, 1 by 4 into equal. What I have to write here? I have to write here denominator 8. Why? Because my LCM is 8. Okay. Next, 5 by 8 is there, no? See here, I have to make denominator 8. In 8 ones the table 8 is there? Yes, it is there. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8 and 5 ones are 5. Okay, already I told, when you are multiplying, you multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay, next up here 1 by 4 is there. I means here denominator 4 is there and here 8 is there. If I convert, if you want to convert this 4 to 8 means which number I have to use here? 2, because 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then I converted this unlike fraction to like fraction. Right here 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Okay. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 8 as it is. So its answer is 7 by 8. I hope you are getting my points very easy. Here taking LCM and converting which number I have to take here means that is very important. If you once know this, then you can solve these examples very easily. I will take here one more example. Fifth question. 7 by 9. I hope I solved that example. I will take here one example. 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Okay. Then take here LCM of 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Okay. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Next step 1 as it is. 2 1s are 2. So what is the LCM here? 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Next, here next step you have to take here 1 by 3 and here you take 5 by 6 into and into. Here equal and equal. Here you have to make the denominator 6 because our LCM is 6 here. Then see here 3 is there. If you want to convert this as a 6, which number I have to take here? 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 1 2s are 2. You keep as it is. Okay. Next, here 6 is there. 6 how much is 6? 6 1s are 6. 5 1s are 5 and 6 1s are 6. Okay. 2 by 6 plus 5 by 6. Then right here 2 plus 5 is 7 and 6 is as it is. Okay. I hope you understood this concept. Yes, one more example, 1 by 9 and 1 by 8. First step you have to take here LCM. So 9 and 8 are not there in same table. So directly you take here 9 as it is, 8 1s are 8 and 9 1s are 9, 1 as it is. 8 into 9. These terms you have to take digits. 8 9s are 72. Okay. The next step here 1 by 9 and 1 by 8 into here equal. Then tell me here which number I have to write here? 72 because our LCM is 72. Next 9 8s are 8 by 8, 8 9s are 9 जा, okay, 8 9 जा 72, 1 9 जा 9, 9 8 जा 72, 1 8 जा 8. Here you have to take 8 by 72 plus 9 by 72. 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 8 plus 9, 17. 17 by 72. This type you have to solve the addition of unlike fractions. In this class you learn how to add the like fractions and how to add the unlike fractions. If you have a question means like fractions are there, means there is no need to add the denominator, just you have to add the numerator and write the answer as it is, means denominator as it is. When you are adding unlike fraction, this all step you have to follow. I hope this all classes, means whatever I taught in the class is clear to you. Thank you.